All right, this is homework practice 8-2. We're continuing to work with solving problems and using coins. So let's go ahead and read up here. It says to count coins, start with the coin that has the greatest value. Count on from the greatest to the least value. Find the total value of the coin Seth has. Draw an X on the coin with the greatest value. So we need to figure out how much he has. So we're going to start with the greatest value is 50 cents, is our $half here. So we're going to write our 50 cents on here. Now we look at what we have left. We've got a dime, and a nickel. So let's see, a dime is 10 cents, another dime is 10 cents, nickel is 5 cents. So we've got our 2 dimes. So let's go ahead and start with our first dime here. So we're going to add on to make 60 cents. We'll cross that out. Here's our next dime. Add on to make 70 cents. Cross that out. We just have a nickel left. A nickel's worth 5 cents. And we'll add that in. Okay, find each total value. Draw an X on the coin with the greatest value. So we have here a dime is 10, a quarter is 25, a nickel is 5, and a nickel is 5. So the first thing I'm going to teach the students is how to label the coins, because that will help them out with the math. So we need the coin with the greatest value. That's going to be 25 cents. So we're going to start with 25 cents. Then we're going to total it all up. So we start with 25 cents down here. And then our next greatest coin is 10 cents. So we need to add 10 cents plus 10 cents. So 25 becomes 35 cents. Our next largest coin is a nickel. So we're going to plus 5 cents. So 35 plus 5 is 40 cents. Plus our last nickel here, plus 5 cents becomes 50 cents and lets us know 45 cents. 45, sorry about that. I'm so used to counting by tens. It's 45 cents is our total there. Okay, so number 2, we're going to start with the coin with the greatest value. We've got a quarter worth 25 cents, a $half worth 50 cents. We have a nickel worth 5 cents and a penny worth 1 cent. So our largest coin up here is going to be our $half. So we're going to start with 50 cents. So we start here with 50 cents. And our next largest coin is going to be a quarter. So that is going to add 25 cents. That takes us to 75 cents there. Our next largest one is going to be a nickel. That's plus 5 cents. Gets us to 80 cents. And plus 1 penny gets us to 81 cents that we have. All right, let's go ahead and flip over to the back of this page here. All right. So these are all higher order thinking. It takes a little bit of time to do that, but that is okay. Megan had 50 cents. She lost 1 nickel. Circle the 5 coins that shows how much she has left. So she had 50 cents. She lost 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. So 50 cents minus 5 cents lets us know she has 45 cents. So now we need to circle the coins that, and it lets us know we have 5 coins. So let's start, because we've got 45, let's start with our number in the tens place is 40. Let's see if we can make that work first. 10, 20, 30, 40. Excellent. And then we've got 5 cents left over. We've got a nickel over here. So we can go through and count that out. Okay, number 4, Yoshi had 55 cents. He gave his sister a dime minus 10 cents. Circle the 3 coins that show how much he has left. So we've got 55 cents minus 10 cents is 45 cents. So we need to figure out how he can make 45 cents, and we need 3 coins. So let's go, first of all, our strategy is kind of starting with the largest coin available. And I've got a quarter here, I have a dime, nickel, penny. So let's start with 25 cents. I have 25 cents, I need to get to 45. So let's try counting by tens. 25, 35, 45. Beautiful. If we do a quarter and 2 dimes, that'll get us up to 45 cents. Kayla had 60 cents. She gave her brother 4 pennies. So she had 60 cents. She gave her brother 4 pennies, so that's minus 4 cents. Circle the 3 coins that show how much she has left. So we're going to have to regroup here. 0 minus 4 won't work. So we're going to have to borrow 10 from over here, regroup that. 10 minus 4 is 6. Drop down the 5, 56 cents. So we need to show the 3 coins that make 56 cents. So we're going to look for the coin that has the largest value. We have a $50. So let's go ahead and start with that first. That's 50. Now we have to get to 56. Now because we've got, it's not in groups of 0 or 5, groups of 10s or 5, we know we're going to have a penny to make that 6. So we have here 50. And if we add a dime, oh, we don't even have a dime, so it doesn't matter. So we've got 50 plus 5 is 55, plus a penny is 56. So that is how we can circle the coins. Okay, our vocabulary, circle the nickel. So we're going to take a look at this. We've got a $50, 50 cents. We have a dime, 10 cents. We have another dime, 10 cents. And we have a nickel worth 5 cents. Circle the nickel. Well, here's our nickel here. Put a square around the $50. Here's our $50. What is the total value of all the money? So now we need a total of that. So we have 50, 60, 75. 75 cents. Our assessment is number 7. Karen has 85 cents. She has a $50 and a dime. Which other coin does Karen have? So she's got 85 cents. She has a $50. A $50 is worth 50 cents. So she has, I'm going to subtract that, minus 50 cents. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. And a dime. So I'm going to subtract that dime over here too. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. But it says, what other coin does Karen have? It's only one coin. So what coin is worth 25 cents? We've got a penny is worth 1 cent. We have a dime worth 10 cents. We have a nickel, which is 5 cents. And we have a quarter, which is 25 cents. So we know that it's going to be D.